Here's how to install the Sonos Play 1 Tilt and Swivel Wall Mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 1 tilt and swivel wall mount, 2 wall anchors, 2 screw caps, 2 wall screws, 1 mounting screw, and 1 mini spanner. Here are the tools needed for this installation. Now let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. This is how to drill on different wall types, from drywall, wood stud plyboard, and concrete wall. You may pause the video at any point to better understand how to drill your wall. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and speaker. Start by securing the wall mount with the provided wall screws. Next, cover the screws with provided screw caps. Attach the mounting screw to the speaker. Then, anchor the speaker to the wall mount. Secure it by tightening the mounting screw. Then, connect the power cable. This wall mount can swivel 42 degrees on either side and tilts 3 degrees upward and 35 degrees downward. Tighten the screw on the side of the tilt and swivel mechanism to lock the speaker's vertical angle. Then, tighten the screw on top of the tilt and swivel mechanism to lock the speaker's horizontal angle.